Alright guys, let me fill you in on what's happening. Bryce and Kenny got a little talking going at lunch. Bryce bet that his Jeep Grand Cherokee would beat Kenny's little GMC pickup. So they put money on it, and we're gonna go racing. Tell us about your ride here. What's underneath the hood of this?
This is Grogu's 4.7 Jeep. Kick the tires, all good to go. Let me open the ranch for you here.
Alright, how much are we racing for?
$100 I think it is.
$100 and a ride to the airport?
Yes.
Hood shocks.
Oh man!
New. It's got the oil check rags already in there by the battery.
So it's got 8 cylinders. Do they all work?
Well, it says 8 right there. So, and power tech. Can't forget about that.
All right, and we have the contender, Kenny's GMC Canyon 4-banger, I think. Yeah, not really sure about how this is gonna go, so we'll just let them line up. We'll see who wins. Oh, KRS hat on the dash. That's plus 10 horsepower. I really don't know who's gonna win this thing. Let's go and see if we can get some predictions from everybody else. Safety first, am I right? All right, predictions. What do you think?
My money's on the boss. I'm not stupid. I'm gonna do whatever I can to make sure Bryce loses.
Who's flagging it?
Yeah, who's flagging it?
I'll flag it. Do I need a flashlight?
You can just give me the
Arm drop. Chases the race?
No.
Watch my foot. I'll move my foot before I drop my arm so you can hole shot him.
Prediction.
Someone's gonna come around the corner and scare somebody, and they're both gonna stop.
What we're doing is we're gonna come around the corner, I think, and we're gonna use this as our start. And then Chad's down there. He's gonna call the winner. And if Chad was smart, which we know he's not, he would say Kenny won no matter what.
You guys don't know this, but secretly all of our jobs are riding on this. So. Oh, Kenny's warming it up. All right, guys. I want to say Kenny's gonna win because I still want a job, but I think this is actually gonna be pretty damn close. We'll see. All right, guys, here we go. Oh yeah, Kenny gets the length. Adam's getting technical about this. We're not joking around. There's $100 on this. Oh, here we go. Oh! There it is! There it is! Oh man. Looks like Bryce got him. So, lunch is on Bryce next week. He's got $100 extra, so if you see him, take it from him. Oh God. Oh, here we go. That's awesome.
It looks like
Oh! Oh! You dropped something! Oh man.
That's good.
Payday!
Bog, man. Bog don't be bad.
It doesn't do it here though.
I know, right?
Every time you bog don't be bad, dude.
Pay the man.
Right on, brother.
There you go, bro.
That was fun. That was scary, dude. You were tailgating the hell out of you on the back, man.
Where are you taking Baby Yoda tonight, huh? Somewhere special?
Yoitomo, dude. Yoitomo.
There you go.
You need to fix my truck first.
The IAC, bro.
Oh, another typical day.